Oh, that's not good. And neither is that. Oh, just what I need. Welcome to the channel, or if you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Today, if everything goes to plan, we will be replacing the air hose and air hose reel on this Arlec Enforcer Air Compressor. This hose has been deteriorating over the years. I've cut bits off it and refitted the fittings, but it just keeps crumbling. So looking around for new hoses, new reels, and eventually I had some success. I was at my local Aldi, good different, with Mrs. Boomer. We went down the middle aisle where they have all the cool shit, and we found this. And I thought to myself, I can make this work. So let's see how we go. First we need to remove the old hose reel using this Sid Chrome 1/4 inch drive ratchet and 10mm socket. Now, that's not good. There's always one that won't come undone. But anyway, we have the means to get it undone. We'll give this one more try. No, got it. Hose reel now removed. As you can see, this hose is well and truly past its use by date. I will take all the fittings off it and chuck the hose out. I'll add all the fittings and the bracket and stuff into my big tub of useless stuff that might come in handy one day. Let's see what's in the box. Instructions. Hose reel and hose. I'm guessing they're bolts. I hate this stuff. Packaged so tight you can't actually get into it to see what it is. Here we go. Bolts. I don't think we need them for where we're going to use this. These would be for if you wanted to mount it to a wall. Here is our new hose reel. The old bolts fit, so that'll make life easier. Just line that up there. Looks like we will have to move one hole, as only one of the holes in the new one lines up with the holes from the previous bracket. The previous bracket had 3 bolts, this one only has 2. So we'll just have to move a hole. Moving the hole was proving difficult, so I decided to drill a new one. First I fixed the bracket in place with the top hole. jobs we need 3 hands. There we go. Maybe not. And now, using a paint marker, like so, we will just mark where to drill the new hole. Approximately. It's hard to get in there. I've removed the hose reel, and you can see the mark for the new hole we have to drill. First I'll get my centre punch and mark it. That also should help stop the drill bit warping when I go to drill the hole. Couldn't find my big centre punch, so I've had to use the small one. That should do it. We need to drill a hole this size. But first I'll drill a pilot hole this size with this drill bit, which is brand new, nice and sharp, so it should give us a nice straight clean hole. Let's drill. Perfect. There is some burrs around the hole, which I'll clean up with this file. And now, for the moment of truth. Did I put the hole in the right spot? Look at that. Sometimes I even surprise myself. All we need to do now, tighten these up. Using our Sid Chrome 10mm socket, 1/4 inch drive ratchet, and a right angle screwdriver just to hold it in place. Look at that. Ah, that's better. We can now use the air compressor to blow up the tyres on the air compressor. I'm calling that a win. As always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway. Thanks for watching.